We have to reevaluate our relationship with the medical profession and how we see them. There are some brilliant doctors, proper doctors, but some of the most moronic people I've ever met in my life have been doctors, along with academics and many scientists, because they are not seekers of truth. They are repeaters of the official story. The whole medical training system and the medical school system, not just in America, but around the world, is controlled by the big pharma cartel through funding and other means. To understand this global cult that's behind the medical hoax and the human-caused climate change hoax and all the others, you've got to understand we're dealing with super psychopaths here. And of course, once you've indoctrinated the teaching profession, which has largely happened, the kids are at the mercy of a teaching profession that is fully woke and is therefore there to indoctrinate wokeness into the kids. People of the Arab world, Jewish people, we're all one consciousness. And you're being manipulated to divide and rule and have hostility and fear of each other by this death cult. Put the preconceived ideas down and have a chat, because in the end, you're all the same. You want the same things.